Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Brown has launched their newest project in Uptown Cagayan de Oro, Uptown Metropolis. This is a mixed-use 8-hectare plus, actually almost a 9-hectare development in Taguanao near existing subdivisions. So we have Montierra, Ventura Residences, Ignatius Enclave phases 1 and 2, Adelaida Parkview Residences, MountainView Homes, and Xavier Estates Phase 4. It is also near upcoming developments like Orchard District, the shop houses, and Skyline Residences. As you can see in the drone shots, there are already a lot of existing subdivisions in the area with more soon to rise. So it's an area that's ripe for commercial development. Also, Orchard District is a 40-hectare community and John Dorf is planning to develop a high-end mixed-use community. And it's right next to Gaisano Mall, whose construction is currently ongoing. So there will be another mall in this area aside from SM City Mall, and like I mentioned, Gaisano is adjacent to Orchard District, and perhaps the two developers will connect the two properties, so it will be easier for the residents of Orchard District to go to the mall and vice versa. So we'll see. There's no final plans yet. There is also a coffee shop under construction just fronting Gulf Estates, Tom and Tom's Coffee, which is the #1 coffee chain in South Korea. It's among the top 3 coffee brands in South Korea and has over 400 branches in 9 countries worldwide. Another thing to note is there's also a school in the area. Rosevale is the nearest school to this area, which is just beside Montierra and Xavier Estates Phase 4. There's also a golf course nearby for leisure for those who love golfing. It's right inside Pablo Golf Estates. As for hospital, St. Francis Hospital just finished construction. It's already operational, located right in front of Xavier Estates main gate. The Taguanao area, which used to be so far, is the next growth area in the Uptown area. So there will be another central business district aside from Pueblo Business Park launching soon. And for their first project in Uptown Metropolis, A. Brown has launched the Alexandrite Column. So this is the first condominium project that will be part of this mixed-use development. This is a 5 twin tower project, so it's twin tower. That means 10 towers in total with resort-like amenities at the center of the 10 towers. So there will also be a supermarket, retail area to cater to the residents, and a showroom for their model units. So for the amenities, they have, like I mentioned, retail area, supermarket, a clubhouse, lap pool and kiddie pool, a spa pool, outdoor fitness, and kids playground. So for the unit types, there are 2 units available. They have studio and 1-bedroom units. For their studio units, they start at 26.8 square meters, which is at a bigger cut because the usual sizes of studio units here in CDO are between 20 to 22 square meters. Some condos even have a 17 square meter size for their studio unit. But for the Alexandrite Column, they're on the more spacious end, so they have bigger cuts again at 26.8 square meters. So those few square meters would really matter and you would really feel the difference in terms of the size. Now, for the reservation fee is at 100,000, so it's the same amount whether it's a studio or 1-bedroom unit. Pre-selling price is at 3.2 million, regular price is at 4.1 million. So for the equity, you can pay it over a span of 36 months. For a studio unit, that would amount to 10,000 per month for 36 months. So that's already a very affordable equity term, and also the equity is super stretched. So it's really best to invest now while it's still pre-selling because the regular price is like 1 million more expensive than their pre-selling price. So if you buy now, then you'll be able to save 1 million. Now for their 1-bedroom unit, it's between 42 to 48 square meters. So for a 42 square meter 1-bedroom, it's at 5.6 for pre-selling price. Regular price is at 6.5. So 15% equity paid over a span of 36 months for a 1-bedroom is at 20,000 per month. And then for the balance of 85%, that can be financed by the bank. So the exciting thing about this project is that this will be one of the mixed-use developments in the area. And since there are already several subdivisions in this location, this project will further increase the value of properties nearby. So another thing to note is that Orchard District, which I mentioned is a 40-hectare mixed-use community by John Dorf, is going to be another exciting development to await. So there are no final details yet as to what they will be putting, how they will be developing Orchard District, but they're leaning towards it being a high-end community. So we are excited for what their update is on that. As for those looking for commercial lots in Taguanao area, the Shop House is the only project with commercial lots for sale. So they have 5 lots remaining in their inventory with at only 9 to 10 million per lot. So this will be a bargain considering the developments that will be rising in the area within 5 to 10 years. Remember that many people used to think that Pablo Business Park was so expensive before at 8,000 per square because there was nothing there yet at the time. Now, lots in Business Park are at 60,000 per square meter and the owners are not even really selling. Like I have buyers looking for lots there, but there's no inventory. Or if there are, it's at 60,000. As real estate investors, we need to look at not only the present, but the future. What will this place be 5 to 10 years from now? Who will be developing in this area? What are the plans of the government? After all, land is just land. What will make the value rise is what we do with it. Let me know if you'd like more details on this new project or the shop houses. There are only 5 lots left. Invest now before it gets sold out. If you want the latest updates on the newest developments in Cagayan and Davao, then just send me an email so I can add you to my mailing list.